Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about trading quotes and trading tips. Okay, using risk management will not only protect your capital but will control your preserve your emotional well-being. Trade stress free. Learn to walk before running. Scale a small account first before going big. It is a process, you can't skip it. Consistency is greater than quick bucks. No one has ever found a shortcut of trading success. Stop trying to figure it out. Focus on gaming experience. It takes time and effort. Large capital gives you a stable income with low risk. Small capital triggers FOMO and vulnerable vulnerable to lose it all. Capital also required to trade. Okay. There will always be a trade for you to take. Don't bother when you don't see it now. It will come. Stay calm and collective. No one likes losing, but in trading, you have to accept it. There is no way you for you not to have losses. Losses should be feared. Sitting back and observing is an essential trading skill to master. Not everything requires action. Not all moves are not all moves are tradable. Learn to preserve yourself from taking low probability setups during slow market while set you for a profitable streak. Know when to trade. Always prepare with with patience and plan your trades once it presents. Act with decisiveness. You have to be quick, calm, and precious. Stop focusing on other trades and gurus who seems to be winning. Focus on yourself, your growth and your skills. Stay in your lane. How you react to losses is more important than the losses itself. Your preparation can make things much better or worse. Change your perspective. Don't stress on why the price moves in a certain direction. Better focus on what it's doing now and capitalize on it. Focus on current price. Have a exit have an exit strategy. It is more important than entry. If you don't know how to secure the bag, you will keep giving back. Know when to exit. Don't try too hard to figure out why a trade lost. It's just a lost. Channel your attention on the next trade. Don't stress on something you can't control. Two essential skills to master: knowing when to pull the trigger, knowing when to step aside and approach conservatively. Find the balance between aggression and conservatives. The technical knowledge sets only the foundation. Patience, emotional intelligence, confidence, and probabilistic mindset are the real keys. Trading is not only technical, your mind is the key. If you can't stop trading setups, then the market is not approving any for the current period. Don't focus things, trade will come. Don't just trade for the sake of trading. Until you change the perception of losses, you will not improve. The feedback of a loss is a building back towards a successful trading strategy. Losses shouldn't hit you, they build you. Okay. If a setup is looking away too to base you run away. The market is designed to fool most of the traders. Okay. Look at the market from different angles, because market participants, some of the big players will make you lose. If you have a fear of missing moves, then you don't know what your step is. There is no FOMO. If you know what you are looking for, you won't always be motivated. Growth comes outside of the comfort zone. There is where discipline and dedication kick in. Persist until you succeed. Don't confuse not having a working edge with the need of better trading psychology. An edge is executed with the help of proper mindset. Strategy is not equal to psychology. Competent trading process combined with experience, patience, and discipline is what makes you stand out. That's the winning formula. When taking a loss, the first instinct is to get the money back. This makes things worse. From the from this mindset, replace money with process. Until you focus on yourself and quit listening others to others, you will not make progress. Hone in what works and feels good for you. Find out the works for you. Every trader understands and trades the markets differently. Being right or wrong, it's nothing long term. Profitab- Profitability is what matters. All you need is a handful of profitable days and each month. The rest of the time is to protect your capital and execute your edge with proper risk. That's the process. Trust it. Be calm and letting trades go without you. You can't catch each moves. Every price can't move it. Movement is not worth your investment. Know your best setup. Time and experience will be the best teacher in trading. It's not just a year of work, it's a lifetime commitment. Are you fully committed to achieve consistently? You are nothing to the market. It is not affected by your trades and doesn't care about them. Your only aim is to follow the flow of the market. Don't fight, be in sync. Every day you are competing against traders with much more capital, experience, and knowledge than you. What makes you better? Your most important job as a trader is to wait for the right moment to strike. It is not trading volume that makes you profitable. You are patient enough. The money you want to the money you want from trading will not came from the fast of as you though it would. It takes years to build the right process and consistency. Money is a byproduct. Every trader will interrupt a chart is different way. Focus on your understanding of price and don't force yourself into another man thinking. Make your own decisions. Trading is not just charts, it's lifestyle, discipline, dedication, mindfulness, patience, emotional intelligence, and growth mindset. Your life is a reflection of your trading. Don't attach yourself to a trade. Accept the fact that price can change its direction at any time. Always use a stop loss and break even management. Never marry a trade. There is no plug and play strategy. Every concept you learn requires hours of examination, backtested, and mystery. Put in the work. Success doesn't come easy. A mistake repeated more than once is a decision. Be honest and always analyze your mistake and introduce new rules to avoid them. Mistakes is equal to best lessons. Do not aim to make extreme gains with every trade to make that's the wrong way to do it. Focus on having a steadily growing equity curve. Slow and steady is the key in the markets. Don't blame the market for your losses. It doesn't care and know about your orders. The market just does its job. The responsibility and don't fight the market. Take responsibility, okay? The aim of trading is not to make a lot of money quickly. It's to make small but consistency amounts over trading. Focus on the right things, and one trade at a time. You do not need to trade every trading session. All you need to do to become a master at one, focus on it. Determine your trading window. Trading is not easy. It will take longer to master than your thoughts at first. Accept that you are not ready yet and put in the work. Be patient and work hard. Are you trading just for 1 week or one for a one lifetime? Why you are rushing to make money immediately? The process can't be forced. Develop long-term goals. Trading is a lifetime journey of self-discovery. It's a consistent battle with yourself. It's you versus you, not against the market. Master yourself. It doesn't matter if you are right or wrong. What matter is if you can make a positive return over a big simple of trades. Focus on long-term perspective. Don't argue with the market. Your task is to study it, forecast it, and follow its flow. As soon as you try to force your opinion, you will get slapped. Don't fight the market. Don't be afraid of your losses. Be afraid of your wins. As long as your winners are bigger than your losses, you will be profitable. Your wins matters more. Risk is the price you pay for an opportunity. If you are not willing to pay, you will not get paid. No matter how certain you are of a trading outcome, the market can always go in the opposite way. Always accept all opposite outcomes. If trading was all about technical knowledge, why do 90% of traders fail? Emotional intelligence and psychology is what builds a profitable trader. Few traders are willing to wait for days, weeks for a setup build what they execute. They make cash, not cover losses. Learn the waiting skill. Know your setups. After the technical work, there comes the inner work. It takes much more time to alter your beliefs that learning simple techniques. Work on yourself. Learning how to win is easy. Getting used to losses is the hardest part. Our perception of losses shapes our long-term probability. Become a great loser. The process every trader must follow: plan, mentor, execute. Not planning, no trade. Not mentoring, miss trade. Not executing, no profit. You can't speed up success and skip steps in trading. It might work for a while, but eventually you will lose sense you have skipped important steps. Do not rush, take its time. Even your thoughts are not the same. Do not like your do not link your identity to your thoughts. Your thoughts are based on your deepest beliefs about yourself. Identity is not equal to thoughts. Always keep an emotional trading log. Journal your emotions before, during, and after a trade. It helps identifying pattern and limiting yourself. Always ask why when analyzing your trades. A winner, why did it win? A loser, what went wrong? Pay attention to the little details. There is always a reason. Patience is not about waiting, it's about maintaining the right behavior and attitude while waiting for your setup. Do it right things while waiting. Every trade you take that is outside of your plan is an insult to yourself and your system. Those trades are the root of your negative performance. Eliminate forced trades. Okay. Every trade you take that is outside of your plan is okay. Okay, okay. You should never sweat a trading position. If you would, then your risk may be too big, sell too tight, or you have to take any forced trade. Okay. You are not forced to trade. Always let your setups come to you, no matter how long it takes. Most money is lost in taking unnecessary trades. If you don't take all setup that fit to your plan, you disrupt the probability game. Don't fail to execute on your pattern when they present. Flawless execution is key. Flawless execution of your trading process with correct risk over a long period of time will guarantee success. Do the right things long enough. Trying to avoid losses is counterproductive. They are the inevitable part of every edge. Focus on maximizing your strategy. Losses doesn't matter. A losing trade is just feedback that your opinion is wrong. Take the feedback, revalue, and streak again. That's how you flow. Don't give up after a loss. Having unrealistic expectations can be quite detrimental. Don't try to get rich quick. Get rich once you have gathered enough experience and master of your craft. Don't rush. Structive for perfection can limit you from being profitable. The market is never perfect or textbook. Each scenario is uniquely different. Stop trying to be perfect. Don't try to find or develop the perfect trading plan or strategy. Although you absolutely need a trading edge, it will never be perfect and 100% accurate. Learn how to be wrong. Traders think they should always be buying or selling. The best skill you have to learn is to stay away when your setups are not presenting. Learn how to detach from the need of trading. It doesn't matter whether your analysis is right or not. What really matters is if are making money at the end. Don't focus on being right. Focus on executing flawless. Trading is also trading is a solo business. It can be taught a strategy, but nobody can teach you emotional intelligence except for your experience. Develop your own understanding of the market. Oftentimes, even the best trading setups will fail. It's important not to engage in a negative mindset and just focus on identifying the next setup. There is no need to dwell on a loss that you should just took. The market provides an endless stream of opportunities. Refresh your mind and hit the next setup. Pro traders do not think about wins and loss. They just focus on the retain peak performance of execution their system flawless. There are levels to this game. Each level is associated with great discomfort and challenges. Stay in your own lane and battle your demons and one by one. Growth is equal to discomfort. Trading is very hard at times, but difficult times make us stronger. So use your drawbacks to your advantages and turn tough toughen up. Embrace your hard emotions and learn from them. Be aware of your risk tolerance and if you are risk adverse, don't try to become aggressive. If you are a risk trader trying to be conservative is futile. Understand your limitations. Regularly perform reality checks, determine where you are now and where you want to be. Then figure out what you stops you from achieving from your goals and introduce action steps. Don't wish take action. Sometimes taking a break from trading is the best action setup. We work so hard to make it happen, so we forget pay attention to other rare areas of our life. Take a refresher. Don't hesitate to take break. If you find yourself making the same emotional mistake over and over again, then you have a loop. Try to identify when what kind of mistakes keep you in the loop and introduce steps to disturb them. Find the ways to disturb the loop. Do not actively seek consistency. Consistency is a natural state that will only occur once you have gathered enough experience and learned enough lessons. It is not the market that beats us, it is our unrealistic expectations, incorrect risk management, and the rush to make money that beats us as trader. Never blame the market. Moment and trend are needed your benefits. Do not fight against the movement or counter or the overall trend will get burned. One of the hardest skills to learn is not pressing the buy and sell button. You either go FOMO and click before it ready or yet get scared to click when you must know the price. In trading, you earn money by following the strategy and risking systematically. You lose by following your ego, opinions, feelings, and emotions. Stop making excuses and start following your plan. Observe your feelings after taking a loss. If you feel neutral and calm, then your execute your plan. If you are sad and are angry, then you probably did something wrong. A loss should not bother you. A trading strategy gives you the edge and profits. Strong psychology and discipline is what you make the profits and compound them. Working is heads plus strong minded. Trading is all about maintaining your capital when your strategy is not working and fully capitalize when your edge has proper market conditions. Your strategy is not bulletproof. Trading is not a linear business. You can keep losing for 4 years in a row, but on the fifth, you can recover everything and make what you have lost 10 times. Keep it all takes it time. Building a capital that you can maintain takes time and skill. You can't came to the game and start trading six figures. Focusing on building your skills first. Start small and build. Trading has no time and money relationship. Trading has no time and money relationship. You can make an annual salary in 1 hour of trading, and you can blow your deposit in 15 minutes. Give leverage a smart use. Examine your emotion. There are signs that something is wrong in the perception. Explore the root core of the emotion and neutralize it. Emotions are a tool. The concept of trading is simple. When we can call it a math game, what makes it hard are our perception, illusions, bias, and poor mindset. Work on emotional IQ. Learn how to wait for your trading setup to present it hard. But it is harder to survive. You must wait for your pattern to occur while eliminating all the noise. Wait for it. There are no shortcut in trading. You can't expect to buy a course, read a book, watch a video, and become profitable. It takes time, effort, consistency, repetition, journaling, inner work, and discipline. There is tons of trading information and source available, but they are both good and bad. Your task is to find what resonates most with your studies and then make it your own art. Having control your time placed on options is the most valuable asset nowadays. Does your trading allows you to take you have that, or you have become a slave to the charts? The real asset in trading is you are the responsible for everything in your job as a trader. Make sure you to care yourself, invest in the development, and retain high performance. Follow the momentum trading until you are wrong. Most traders are setups against the overall trend. Just follow market structure until the shift. Give yourself credit. Although you haven't reached your goals, you have improved. Take note of all your small wins, trades, trend, and highlights failures and neglects all achievements. Celebrate small success. Aspire to perform at your best, but only expect your worst. Unrealistic expectation can hurt, or our trading performance can only control the execution of your plan. In trading, nothing is certain. Seeking a 100% strategy or developing an extreme market understanding is a fantasy. All you can do is to just play as a systematic edge over time. Everything won't always be green. There is will be losing streaks, slow periods, and down motions. What matter is that we keep pushing, improving, and learning. Good times will come. Don't be a predictor, be a reactor. Stop making predictions and start reacting our system and what make market is still telling you. Don't protect by trusted by opinions. Making short-term profit is easy, but you might get luck and win some. Maintaining, growing, and sustaining those profit in different market environments is the hardest part of trading. Hating to lose is like hating to learn and improve. We must learn and improve our plans and analyzing our risk. Therefore, take losses with pleasure. Annoying you, you will learn. As long as you consistently learn from mistakes, you are heading in the right direction. Even if it is not obvious from the immediate trading result, keep learning. It will pay off. Just because someone shares you win doesn't mean it kills it. You have asked yourself, why do I never see loss on social media? I leave the answer. Consistency is equal to greater than big wins. Okay, regular taking 3 to 4 risk is usually better than and trying to hit 10 risk. Huge target might leave you with lots of break evens and losses while taking small win scales. Trading involves focused and objective decision making. If you if you have too many things going on in your life and too many rules in your strategy, you overthink that this causes decision fatigue. As trader, we take complete responsible for our action. No matter what happens in the marketplace, we are in control. So next time we hesitate, miss a trade, over trade, be responsible, take your full responsibility. Self awareness is an essential trading skills. Being aware of what you think and and how you talk to yourself while trading is key. Watch your limiting and exaggerating laugh patterns laughing patterns. Okay, your personal life affects your trading life and performance just as you pick trades based on positive expectancy of ROI. Do so for areas in your personal life, friends, events, lifestyle. Trading is a mirror of yourself. Oftentimes the market will crush you badly. Don't feel sorry, but it wake up. Admit you will still suck and start rebuilding yourself. The biggest growth occurs during your hardest challenges. Your disaster is blessings. Until you fail enough times and learn your lessons, you will suck. Embrace failures, losses, and down moments as those are the ones you teach you how you to be a better trader and person. Fail fast, learn faster. Stop trying to learn new things and search for something better. Start working more and more mindset and psychology. A simple strategy with a solid mindset, all you need. Mindset is greater than strategy. Learn to wait for days, weeks for your trading setup occur. Your job is not a trade to every day, but to trade every when your trading plan tells you to do. Quality is greater than quantity. Screw social media if you want to grow as a trader. You have to cut the crap. Looking at the others and their stuff, which is mostly lies, will keep saboting your success. Trading is a game of confidence and awareness. Be confident to execute your edge and stay true it in hard times. Be aware of market conditions and your emotional stage and trading. Do not associate your trading results with your self growth. Just because you lost doesn't mean you stuck or fail as a trader. Just because you won doesn't mean you are the best. Evaluate yourself in the right way. It's not about winning, it's about following your plan risk. It's not about getting funded, it's about retaining the account and growing consistency. Link your personal life to trading. The quality of decisions you make in your daily life will be parallel to your trading performance. Adapt through habits and stick to them. Your trading will thank you. How many trades in total you will take in a year? 100 or 1000. So when you take a single loss, why do you stress so much? Allow the neutral process to wins over overtaking losses to develop. Every trade reaches a plateau. You are stuck, break even, or can't take it to the next level. Those periods of essential they can indicate you need to change, tweak, work hard, find the issue and fix it. Turn trading into a game. Stop seeking results and focus on executing trades tasks daily. Over trading, make a task to set up away for a few losses. Fear of loss must make a task execute such each setup you can see is let's go. Losses are setbacks are good. They make you stronger. They show you improvement areas. They force you to better. The more you resist losses, the more they will occur. Learn to embrace and accept them it will change. Focusing on PNL will drain you. Seeking profit doesn't work. What works is focusing on being professional, discipline, and stick to tasks is to execute your plan daily. It keeping emotions in check and managing risk. Profit and loss will follow. Trading is all about consistency. Being consistency with your risk, executing your plans, consistency, following the trading routine, journaling, and reviewing consistent work for edge. Change with give you confidence. Change what give you confidence. If you are motivated by monetary returns, your confidence will be volatile and correlated to your P&L. Motivate yourself with your performance, flawless execution, proper risk, and emotional control. How to study really matters. Make sure to include both theory and application. Watches a course video, then thinking you know it is wrong. Take each concept to test it individually. Train your brain. We tend to overcomplicate stuff. The moment we forget about simplicity, we make mistakes. Therefore, consistency as yourself. I'm keeping it simple. In trading, simplicity is the key to being systematic and consistent. Always respect the opposite of your trading idea. Whenever you take a trade, there is always someone the on the opposite side. Keep an open mind, of flexible of both outcomes. It is not about winning, it's about following the process. Letting go of losers and not getting executed or winners. A balanced mind with a proper trading system is the key. Strategy, mindset, risk management are the three essential pillars of trading success. Are you working on these three? As a traders, we are different. Each of has a unique risk appetite, in intellect, understanding of benefits. Trading to be like someone else taking your power away. Stop that. Find your own niche, following your own goals, and build yourself up. Stop comparing yourself. Would you rather know 100 concepts of strategies but fail to execute any of them, or one strategy, one pair, one setup that will execute flawless? The intellectual of smart trader will overthink and try to make sense of every setup and market move. The fearless and carefree trader will just execute on his plan without giving it any thought. In trading, even the highest probability trade can turn into losses. Similarly, the trade that doesn't look greater can turn into a great winner. When your trade is about to hit a sell, you can do two things: get angry and start entering again, causing you to blow, or take a deep breath, swallow your ego, accept the loss, let it go, and focus on the market, focus on the next trade. Okay, when your strategy stops working and you got losing streak, do not change it. The moment you can change something, you disturb your edge. Keep at it, stay patient, and it will pay off you long term. When your trading becomes boring, you are on the right way. Systematize and define your process and strategy so well it becomes boring and trade. This way you will achieve the robotic execution. If you strongly believe in your setup, why rush to take particles? It fears take over the force. You to choose the trade, go be, take partials to exit. Do not submit it. Trust in your setup and allow to play out fully.